Script House. Dictation by Arul Chelvi. English Junior. August 2003. Ready? Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am glad to open the new black in this hospital. I have great pleasure in doing this because as minister in charge of health, I am very much interested in the health of the people. I may assure you that I shall do all that I can to take care of the health of the people. I am aware that medical relief is one of the most important needs of the people of this country. In this connection, I would like you to remember that as a result of various measures taken by the government, we have been able to bring down the death rate. At the same time, there is no doubt that in spite of the steps taken by the government in regard to family welfare, the population has increased. I think you will agree that it only shows that the efforts of the government to improve the health and welfare of the people have succeeded to a large extent. I hope and trust that this black will enable medical relief to be given to more and more people and in a better way. You are aware that we are facing a shortage of funds, so the government may not be able to spend a lot at the present time. However, on this occasion, I would like to bring to your notice that it is not possible for the government alone to do all that is needed. I think it will be right to say that private efforts will also be of great help in this regard. It will be a good step if those who are in a position to help try to establish medical centers so that the people may be able to get medical relief to some more extent. I would like the doctors also be help the people so far as this matter is concerned. As you know, there are a large number of doctors coming out of the medical colleges year after year. It should be their duty to serve as many people as possible in the interest of the nation. It should be our aim always to avoid diseases. For this purpose, it is necessary for you to keep not only your house but also the surroundings clean. In this way, you will help yourselves as well as the general public. I hope you will follow my advice. Letter from Mani and Sons, Chennai to Messrs. Subbu and Company, Madurai. Dear sirs, we are much obliged to you for your kind enquiry. We are glad to inform you that we have fountain pens which you require. We have been receiving letters in this regard for some time past from many pupils. So, we have tried our best to manufacture pens which will meet the requirements of a large number of pupils. In this connection, we would like to inform you that they will be of great use to all those who practice shorthand, as they have a nib which is very soft. It will be easy to write shorthand characters. At the same time, they can be used for other purposes also. We enclose the price list for your information, and you will be entitled to the usual discount if you inform us of your exact requirements. We shall send the goods as soon as possible. Yours faithfully.